Have you ever wondered how one of the world's most luxurious leather jackets begins its incredible journey? Behind every premium white camel leather jacket lies an extraordinary combination of responsible sourcing, centuries-old craftsmanship, artificial intelligence, and cutting-edge robotic manufacturing. Every single day, one of the most advanced leather production facilities on Earth transforms raw white camel hides into world-class fashion products admired by luxury brands and customers across the globe. Today, we're taking you inside this remarkable factory to reveal every fascinating step of the journey, from responsibly sourced camel hides to beautifully finished leather jackets ready for international markets. Everything begins in carefully managed white camel breeding regions, where healthy camels are raised under strict veterinary supervision and responsible animal welfare practices. Contrary to popular belief, these animals are not raised solely for leather production. The hides used by the factory are responsibly sourced as valuable byproducts from the food industry, ensuring that every part of the animal is fully utilized while minimizing waste. Immediately after collection, each hide is carefully cleaned, preserved, and transported inside climate-controlled trucks that maintain ideal temperature and humidity throughout the journey to preserve its natural quality. As the trucks arrive at the factory, automated unloading systems carefully transfer every hide into the receiving department. Before any manufacturing begins, artificial intelligence takes control. High-resolution scanners create a complete digital profile of every single hide by measuring its size, thickness, flexibility, texture, moisture content, and unique natural grain pattern. Advanced AI software instantly classifies each hide according to quality and automatically determines the most efficient production plan to maximize material usage while minimizing waste. The hides then move into one of the largest leather preparation departments in the industry. Massive automated washing drums gently remove dust, dirt, salt, and any remaining natural impurities using carefully controlled cleaning solutions. Powerful filtration systems continuously recycle and purify the water, making the entire cleaning process both efficient and environmentally responsible. Once perfectly cleaned, the hides enter large computer-controlled tanning drums where advanced tanning agents slowly penetrate every fiber. Throughout this process, intelligent monitoring systems continuously adjust drum rotation, temperature, chemical concentration, and processing time to ensure every hide develops exceptional strength, flexibility, and durability. After tanning, the leather moves into enormous climate-controlled drying chambers where carefully balanced airflow and humidity remove excess moisture without damaging the material. Automated robotic handling systems gently transport each hide between every production stage while AI monitoring systems continuously measure moisture levels to guarantee consistent drying across every square centimeter of leather. The dried leather now enters one of the most fascinating sections of the factory. Computer-controlled shaving machines carefully reduce each hide to a perfectly uniform thickness with incredible precision. Laser measurement systems constantly monitor the leather surface while robotic adjustments automatically compensate for even the smallest variations. This remarkable accuracy ensures every future jacket panel maintains consistent quality throughout production. Next comes the precision finishing department. Large automated buffing and polishing machines refine the leather surface while preserving its beautiful natural grain. Depending on customer requirements, robotic spray systems apply environmentally friendly dyes, protective coatings, and luxury finishes that enhance durability while maintaining the leather's elegant appearance. Some premium collections retain the leather's natural white color, while others receive sophisticated custom finishes designed exclusively for international luxury fashion brands. Once the leather has been completed, it moves into the digital design department where fashion engineers use advanced computer-aided design software to create precise jacket patterns. Artificial intelligence automatically analyzes every hide and determines the most efficient pattern placement to maximize material utilization while preserving the most beautiful natural grain for the visible exterior panels. Robotic CNC cutting machines then begin their work, slicing hundreds of perfectly shaped jacket components with millimeter accuracy. Sleeves, collars, front panels, back sections, cuffs, pockets, and decorative details are all cut with remarkable speed while minimizing waste. Freshly cut leather components continue toward intelligent sewing departments where advanced robotic sewing systems perform much of the assembly process. Computer-controlled stitching machines create perfectly straight seams with exceptional consistency while experienced leather craftsmen supervise every operation. Although automation handles much of the production, human expertise remains essential. Skilled technicians carefully inspect each component, align natural grain patterns, verify stitching quality, and perform delicate finishing operations that require years of professional experience. As every jacket nears completion, it enters an advanced quality control department where artificial intelligence and human inspectors work together. High-resolution AI vision systems scan every jacket for scratches, stitching accuracy, symmetry, color consistency, leather texture, seam alignment, and surface imperfections. If even the smallest defect is detected, the garment is automatically removed for further inspection while the rest of production continues without interruption. This powerful combination of intelligent automation and skilled craftsmanship guarantees the exceptional quality expected by luxury fashion houses worldwide. Approved jackets then enter the luxury finishing department. Steam forming systems gently shape every garment while robotic pressing equipment creates perfectly balanced collars, sleeves, and lapels. Premium zippers, buttons, linings, and luxury accessories are carefully installed before every jacket receives a final hand polish that enhances the natural beauty of the white camel leather. The result is a product where no two jackets are ever exactly alike, making every piece naturally unique. Before packaging, every finished jacket is cleaned using filtered compressed air to remove microscopic dust particles. Robotic packaging systems carefully place each garment into premium protective covers designed to preserve its quality during international transportation. Automated barcode scanners verify every package while robotic palletizing systems organize completed orders onto export pallets. Autonomous forklifts transport the finished pallets into climate-controlled warehouses where carefully regulated temperature and humidity protect every jacket while they await shipment. From here, international logistics networks deliver these luxury white camel leather jackets to premium fashion boutiques, designer stores, luxury retailers, and customers across Europe, North America, the Middle East, and Asia. Standing inside this remarkable factory, it's almost impossible to believe that only a short time ago this journey began with a responsibly sourced white camel hide. Through advanced engineering, artificial intelligence, precision robotics, skilled craftsmanship, responsible sourcing, and rigorous quality control, a natural byproduct has been transformed into one of the world's finest luxury fashion products. The next time you wear a premium leather jacket or admire the craftsmanship of luxury leather fashion, remember the extraordinary journey hidden behind every stitch, every panel, and every finish. It is a story of innovation, sustainability, precision manufacturing, and timeless craftsmanship working together to create products admired around the world. Thanks for watching Factory Insider TV. If you enjoy discovering how the world's most fascinating products are made, be sure to subscribe for more factory documentaries that take you behind the scenes of modern manufacturing. We'll see you in the next factory adventure.